I really expect that brain preservation, it is a solvable problem and it will be solved within the next decade. I think it will be absolutely solved within the next decade, that we will be able to preserve an entire human brain at the synaptic level, and that more and more neuroscience evidence will convince people that that really is who we are.
What if I told you that you never had to die? That your mind, your thoughts, memories, and personality could be uploaded, stored, and revived forever? No, I'm not talking about ghosts. I'm talking about Reincarnation 2.0, powered by artificial intelligence. This is QuickIQ, and today I'm diving deep into one of the most chilling and fascinating features humanity is building. Imagine your grandson talking to you 100 years after you are dead. Not through an old photograph, but through your digital self. Fully aware, fully responsive, and fully you. Sounds like magic? This is technological restoration, and it's already being explored. Meet Kenneth Hayworth.
I currently am working at Howard Hughes Medical Institute developing machines and techniques for mapping brain tissue at the nanometer scale, so that you can take a look at a piece of brain tissue and see all of the circuitry within it, all of the connections between neurons. I am also a futurist, a transhumanist, whatever you want to call it, and I am president of the Brain Preservation Foundation, an organization that is dedicated to get more scientific research into perfecting things like cryonics and cryonics alternatives.
He believes we can preserve the human brain slice by slice and upload its entire neural map to a computer. In theory, that brain data could be downloaded into an artificial body, a robot, a stimulation, or even a virtual being that thinks and behaves just like you. Here's how it might work. Your brain is preserved using a chemical process called aldehyde-stabilized cryopreservation. Each brain slice is scanned at an ultra-high resolution. A digital map of your connectome, your brain's wiring, is created. The map is then uploaded into a synthetic body or an AI system. In other words, you are reborn as a digital entity. That isn't Star Wars. This is real science, and billions are being poured into it by AI labs and futurists. Here's the hard question. Even if your mind is uploaded, will it still be you? Will your consciousness survive the transfer, or will it just be a perfect limitation? Can your AI really recreate emotions, intuitions, and even a soul? We don't have the answer, but the fact that we are even asking these questions means we have crossed a line. Digital immortality may sound like a gift, but it also brings a terrifying idea. If we can live forever, what happens to death, meaning, closure? Are we building a future filled with eternal stimulation of people who never die? Or are we unlocking the next step of evolution? This is not methodology. This is Reincarnation 2.0, and it's already in development. Would you upload your mind and live forever, or would you rather die as a human than live as a code? Tell me in the comments section. And if this shook you, hit that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe, because QuickIQ isn't just about facts, it's about the future we are not ready for.